Hi, how are you? With the threat of dehydration and a spell of vomiting, cats may become sick when struck with constipation. Generally, a cat will experience a bowel movement 1 to 2 times per day, while a constipated feline may go every 2 to 4 days. To make Fifi feel comfortable during these sluggish times, consider home remedies for cat constipation, which can get things moving in the right direction. Don't worry, problem solved! Here are some best remedies for cat constipation. Water, petroleum jelly, milk and broth. Water for cat constipation. Don't be surprised if your cat doesn't drink a lot of water, which is a natural habit of domesticated felines. To make matters worse, dry cat food is very low in moisture. If you add canned food to your cat's diet, you can provide the hydration necessary to promote beneficial digestion. Petroleum jelly to get rid of cat's constipation. Use what most over-the-counter cat remedies use to treat a constipated feline. Petroleum jelly. Feeding your cat half teaspoon of plain petroleum jelly per day can aid in unclogging his or her insides. Milk for cat constipation. Under normal circumstances, milk causes pets to develop diarrhea. But if your cat is suffering constipation, it is suggested to give liquid dairy to your feline 2 times per day. Administer 1/8 cup of milk in the morning and in the evening. Discontinue its use once the problem is solved. Broth for cat's constipation. Heat up a meat-based broth and add half teaspoon of a laxative containing psyllium. Not only will the added fiber get things moving, but the broth also assists in fighting dehydration. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.